Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out some new products from Wet n Wild. This is the Fantasy Makers line, which is their Halloween collection, I believe. But this is a highlighter in Haunted Hills, and then this palette is their 10 pan eyeshadow palette in Pick Your Poison. So I want to see how well these work out. I've never gone around to trying any of their Halloween collections, and I felt that I was pretty early, so I thought it would be a really good time to trying it out since we have some time. So I lightly primed my eyes with a little bit of MAC's Paint Pot in Laying Low, and then I'm going to just lightly set my eyes with a little bit of translucent powder just to make sure that everything is nice and matte. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to work this into my crease, and I'm bringing it pretty high up. Okay, so this shadow is going on really nice. Except for left over on my brush, I'm just going to work into my brows a little bit. I'm going to bring this pretty high up. So that's a really pretty gold. Okay, so now I'm going to clean that brush off a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with this burgundy shade right here, this one right here. Taking just a small amount, and I'm going to bring it a little lower. And these are very pigmented. I'm using a very light hand. I'm not going to bring this color all the way. I'm just going to keep it right. I'm going to stop it right in the center and just really buff and work this in. So I'm going to stop it right there. There is quite a bit of fallout and kickback, but like I said, these are really pigmented, so I don't mind. I'm going to clean my brush off again, and I'm going to further blend. So now I think I'm going to go in with this red, and I'm going to take a more defined fluffy brush, and I'm going to add this right into this area right here. And then I'm going to bring it all the way in. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to add that right onto the lid. And I'm bringing this pretty high up, but I'm not covering all of the red. So I'm going back in with that fluffy brush, and I'm really going to clean it. And I'm just going to blend right over here, just a little. Now I'm going to go back in with this burgundy shade, and I'm going to take that small detailing brush that I used to add the red, and I'm going to run this on the lower lash line. And I'm going to connect up. I'm going to take a little bit of this gold, just a very small amount, and I'm going to add this right underneath that burgundy. Not adding too much, I just want a little bit of color to peek through. So I'm just strategically placing it and kind of just tapping in the shadow where I want it. So I'm going to go in with the highlighter, and I'm just going to take it on a nice little detailing brush. I'm going to add this right into the inner tear duct. Oh, this is the color It's a really pretty frosty lavender pink, I guess. It's really, really nice. So I'm going to really pack this on into the inner tear duct, bring it down a little, and I always like to bring it in just a little. And we're just going to add a very small amount to the brow bone. I'm going back in with a fluffy brush and I'm just going to clean up any messiness. Alright, so now I'm just going to do a little bit of eyeliner. Okay, so today we are doing lashes, and these are Salon Perfects in 614. Now I'm going in with my iconic London in Warm Bronze. I'm just going to add a little bit of warmth to my face. I'm going to also add some Luminoso from Nalanie. And we're going to go in with a highlighter. It's going to take a little bit. That goes on really, really smooth. There's no shimmer in this. It's just, yeah, there's no shimmer. It just looks really, really pretty and smooth on the skin. Okay, I'm just going to add a very small amount on the tip of my nose. I really like this. I'm going to do a little bit of sweet tea, and we're going to try this lipstick from Essence in 03 Volt. Okay, so this is a complete look. I loved the way everything turned out. The shadows worked out really well, very pigmented. It just looks and feels very high quality. You can't go wrong. I think this was $5, like I said, and the highlighter was surprisingly a lot nicer than I was expecting. I wasn't too sure what to expect with this when I saw it, but I saw a little bit of pink lavender in there, and it's more on the lavender side, very frosty, but no sparkles, no shimmers, and it just went on really, really smooth. I have medium skin tone, and I feel like this looks pretty nice on my skin, so definitely a fan of this. And this is Haunted Hills. I think this is the only one that looks like this, so it should be very easy for you to find in case you like it. But yeah, really happy with the way everything performed and worked out and turned out and looked. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.